first we have, let me get this out of the way. This is Raffia. And Raffia is biodegradable. It's also vegan, and it's made from wood fiber. It is super light, it's water repellent, and it dries fast if it does get damp. So we have here a woven placemat. I did it on a 4-shaft loom. I actually think it would have been easier had I done it on my rigid heddle loom. The placemats, with 2 of these tubes would require, 2 tubes would make 4 placemats. This hat or this bag only require 1 tube, and each tube is $20. It's available in 9 different colors. Each tube has 273 yards on 100 gram. Knitters, you're going to use a US 7 needle, or crocheters a number 7 crochet hook, about 4 stitches per inch. Weavers, set at 8 ends per inch. And like I said, it works great on rigid heddle looms, and each one is $20. Over here we have the hemp. So this is a sample that was done in all hemp, and if you've never worked with hemp, it's actually pretty easy to work with. If you're at all concerned, try working with the 8-2 cotton hemp blend, or just 8-2 cotton works fine with it. This is the natural 10-2 hemp, and the numbers for hemp are different than cotton, so 10-2 hemp and 8-2 cotton work well together. This is the bleached white 10-2 hemp, and this is the natural hemp cotton blend. The 1-pound tubes range from 24 to 28, and the cotton hemp blend is $12 for an 8-ounce tube.